What's up, my YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. So this video was requested, and it's an American man wanted to it's been requested for a while now, but I was so busy, and I wanted to do a video on how um, how to treat a Jamaican woman. He wants to know how he could treat his Jamaican woman because she always angry and angry at him. But I'm here to let you know that I am not a counselor. I am not a counselor. I'm in no legal advice to give you legal advice on how you should treat your woman, just making that clear. But for me as a Jamaican woman, if I'm getting up every day, I'm just going off for me and basically like my family member, and my friends, I have a large family member, and I can just go on based on their treatment and their relationship and what they would want different in their lives. If I get up every day and I am angry at my partner, it have to be some reason why I am frustrated and angry all the time. They have 2 kids, and I did a video before, and I'm just letting you know that if you're not playing the part in the relationship that you should, then this is gonna make she angry. When you just started a relationship with a Jamaican woman, you have to make it clear what it is. What is it you stand for? What is it you want your relationship to be like? Before you even get to the nitty-gritty, you have to start build on that friendship and that communication from a very early point in your relationship. If you don't have that, then it's not gonna last. And if she always angry, it have to for me is that she have things backed up inside, and she have not been communicating to you the way. It can be because of diverse culture as well, and that is my view on it. It can be because of that, because sometimes we as Jamaican women, we just can't bother to talk. And if we have to keep repeating ourselves, yes, we're talking to somebody that is different from our culture, we have to talk for you to understand. And we have different understanding from each other. That can also be a problem, because when you're talking to a person that is diverse culture, it's not the same culture as you have to be repeating yourself, and they don't see the point the way how you see it. They don't. It's like sometimes we go in depth and go deep into things when they just take it very lightly. Like, oh, it's okay, it's like that. And so for instance, we are explaining our pain and our anger, and then it's like you're just saying, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know that I hurt you that way. And that's it. Like, you don't know how to show that compassion to the person when we are taking it so deep. Because what I notice with us as Jamaican women, not everybody, we take things personal, we take it to our heart. When we are hurt, it's our heart that is damaged, and if you're not getting the understanding of it, we can't bother to be talking to you about it, because you don't get the drift of how I feel. You don't get it. So for me to be talking to you about my pain all the time, and you're not getting the drift, it just get annoying, and we can't bother, so we just keep it to ourselves, and we wait on our heart, and it automatically weigh on her face. So because of that, we easily snap. We will snap just like that, get angry, because we are burdened. Our heart is burdened, our mind is burdened. We keep thinking about the things that is bothering us, and we're not focusing on the things that we should love. You get what I mean? If you know agree with me, drop it in the comment section. Don't hesitate to let me know. Don't forget to also like the video, guys. Please, I'm asking you to like the video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this as a Jamaican woman. If I'm wrong, let me know where I go wrong. Also, when you're starting off a relationship with your partner, you know, it's good to clear the air. Let them feel that confident that you are with them and you are for them. You know, a woman need that validation. They need they need to know that you are there for them. You know what I mean? They wanted to know if you're gonna be 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Let them know from the beginning that this is something that you're just gonna see if it's gonna work or it is not going to work. You know, you want them want to know where you stand in the relationship. If you give them this moment, you tell them, okay, I want this relationship, and then your attitude show otherwise, then that's gonna be frustrating, and them gonna judge you, not knowing that they're going to judge you. So they're gonna have things in their head, and it's just gonna play with their minds. So the best thing for you is what you said you're gonna do, just do it. Don't say something and then act otherwise. Just do what you said you're gonna do. So that is also can be a problem in your relationship and cause you to have you know, the partner to have doubt in what you guys have. Also, divert culture. A Jamaican woman love when the man fresh and clean. Also the man, but we are talking about the woman today. They love when the man, you know, them mouth, them body odor must be nice and clean. So if you know, say you're one of them man there where, you know, you carry green arm or you smell when you sweat and then something, make sure you beard, because we don't want to love you up if you know, keep yourself clean. So you have to make sure that is intact. And for my advice again, just show her say you care. You know, change things a little bit. Help with the kids. You have 2 kids together. Help with the children them in any way. Always ask her what you want her to do. Find out what she need. What is her need? What is her problems? If she looks sad, don't hesitate to ask her. A woman like when you ask them about them day, what them are go through, you know, them emotions. Ask. You know, show them some sympathy, show them some love. When them in the kitchen and cook, you know, come in the kitchen every now and then, man, and ask them, you know, wash up the plate. Don't even bother ask them, just wash up the dishes. Get little, you know, little stress off of them. Things to show them that you care. You know, you can invite them to the movie. I'm not talking about the younger girls, because a lot of them are more for the party and all them stuff there. But when you have a respectable woman in her 30s, now 40 going up, these are women who are ready to settle. You know, them ready to settle. And don't get me wrong, a lot of young girls are ready to settle too, but I'm talking about the more bigger woman. Get to understand their culture. Sorry guys. Get to understand their culture, their feedback on things. Learn things about them just like how they will learn things about you. It's not hard for us to understand you, but it is hard for you to understand us. It is. So that's where you're gonna take that time to get to know us and know that our feelings are deeply different from yours because of the culture. We don't take things so lightly. You know, I met a lot of Americans and they don't really like take things so deeply. It when they communicate with you, it seems very light, like it don't carry that weight on it. I spoke to a lot of guys here, and I know what I'm saying, because I'm not saying that everyone is, but sometimes when they talk to you, it doesn't feel like it carrying weight. When a Jamaican talk to you, I feel it because maybe because I'm a Jamaican, but not saying that they're not going to do it, but you just feel like it's not bringing the weight that it's supposed to be. If you get what I mean. If you're a Jamaican, drop that in the comment section if you have that as well. And as I said, it's not everyone, but we tend to put our all into things, and sometimes we just expect you to give us back your all, and then when you don't get it back, it just feels like it's a disappointment. So if you keep carrying those disappointment all the time, then it just keep gonna weigh you down. So that is actually my point on that. But you could just start asking her, baby, what do you want us to do? You know, today we need to go out for dinner. Uh, don't let her pay. You know, you're gonna get somebody to watch the kids, and you and her go to dinner. Or if a movie come out, just say, baby, you wanna watch a movie? We could go and watch this movie. It looks very nice. Try to just do little things to impress her. You know, get some roses, put on the bed, drop it in the floor on the floor. Bring like a spice in your life. Do things differently. Help her out around the house. These little things are things that a man can do to help build their relationship. Because a woman can get burdened with everything that they are doing in the household. They can get burdened. Honestly, they can. You know, on Saturdays I wash the dishes and my husband helped me. Like, I cooked, and he will help me in time. The kids are here, they have their own days when they do stuff, but it is good when you have your partner come in and, you know, help you out with things when you need some assistance. So that is my advice. Put some sparks in your relationship. Follow your heart and said, okay, if you're not doing this right, try to just change it a little bit. Because sometimes we hold back, and the hold back that we hold back, that is what messed up our relationship. So tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I was talking non-stop, but hopefully I get the point across. And as I said, I'm in no position to give you no direct advice because I'm not a counselor. I am just here to just kind of motivate you a little bit, lift your spirit, and try to, you know, build on what you have. When you have two kids, that's a life. You know, you have two life. So you have to try to build with them, build with the kids, play with the kids, do things with the kids, kind of ease her mind a little bit so she has some alone time for herself as well. So yeah, they need it. So just ask. The thing is, with a woman, just ask. Come up with ideas, you know, play little games together, have some like a romantic time together. You know, just when you have two kids, it's like the woman love the kids and your love are going away. And a lot of people don't realize that, like, when a woman have children, they tend to give the kids their all. So the part where you have with them is little bit. So you have to make sure you put in that work to help keep it going, because they're pouring out everything on their children. So just show them that love, that respect, that honor, and, you know, God bless you guys. And I hope that you maybe get a thing or two from this video. Enough love, enough respect. Stay safe. Peace. I'm out, guys. Bye.